Hello everyone, a warm welcome to FIXtastic Contents, the channel to your solutions. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to dismount Myson thermostat. So where the arrow is, put your finger underneath and lift it up slowly. Yes, so once you've got a grip, hold it like this and then it will come out. To replace the batteries, it takes 3 AA batteries, very easy to take out. Just unclip it and replace. So I just wanted to show you how to dismount and where the batteries are to change Myson thermostat. Now to put the device back in, you just align it and you clip it back into place and you just push it in. That's all, simple as that, guys. As you can see, it's locked into place. So that's how you dismount from the wall or remount it onto the wall. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Check out my other videos and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching, guys.